let's talk about how to use the Ozonics HR600 with the Kinetic Pack. So for just ease of use, I've just got the top half of the Kinetic Pack here. Obviously there's the bottom half, the fanny pack, the hip belt that you use. I think the Kinetic Pack is a really, really powerful tool. Again, so many people are starting to really understand and grasp on the idea of using ozone in the field, using it in your tree stand and your ground blind, but you emit odor all the way in and all the way out. And that's where the Kinetic Pack can come in so handy to help eliminate odor, not only in the tree stand, but from the minute you leave the truck to the minute you get back. And it really harnesses the power of your Ozonics, and you can use it with the 600 as well. So you can see how I have this thing fit in here. So there's a cut on the bottom of where the unit would fit that you can kind of line up your easy mount to stay there. The big thing I would say is when you have this in there, you want to make sure that the top of the HR600 is facing the back of the Kinetic Pack. And then it's just going to slide right down in there. We've actually got a strap and a buckle that you can strap right over the top. It's going to hold it in there very secure. I mean, literally, if I've got this thing upside down, it's not coming out. So you're not going to have to worry about, like I said, if you're having to go over logs or jump over something and all of a sudden the pack starts leaning, the HR600 is going to stay in there just fine. Thanks for watching our video about using the HR600 with your Kinetic Pack. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to give us a call at 979-285-2401 or check out our website at ozonicshunting.com. Thanks again and good luck out there.